Okay, now that we've got it all unboxed, I'm going to show you how to put it all together. First thing we do is the cloner parts. These screw right into here, and they screw right in. Okay. The pump opens up, comes with the owner manual and instructions. You won't really need any of that because you're just going to pop this on top of it. You'll fill these in here. Add each one of these, obviously. You guys can all see better than I can. Unwinding the cord. And then this cord goes right through here. And this goes down in here, like so. And that gets popped up. And then this gets plugged in. And then there are other videos to show you how to clone. We'll move that aside. So each lid has a port, 2 holes, center hole, and a hole right there. The center hole is for this clip. Now each clip will require these parts right here: rubber washer, metal washer, wing nut, spring, and 1/4 inch screw, well, carriage bolt. So you put your spring on, and then your washer going from the bottom, push up from the bottom through here. Whoop. Rubber washer next on top of here. Then your I missed one. Locking washer. And then just tighten it through the wing nut there. There, you hear Chris? It's easier if you push on that a little bit. Give yourself a little bit more room. Get everything away. I don't have that much dexterity bending down. I had to stand up a bit. They go on just like that. And these go on top of here. The cups go in there. This is tight and it'll lock right on top of them. Keeps them steady. Now, each one comes with 2 air hoses, a short one and a longer one. The longer one you're going to want to use for your air stone. So you put your air stone in here like so. Pop it in your thing. And that one comes through this hole right here. It was factory tightened. It's supposed to be a tight fit. You want. Like that. Then this is a very important tube. This tube you use to check your water levels, and it's an air tube as well. I totally am a klutz. So this gets put in like this. You push in there and just kind of work your thumb around so you get the whole thing in there. This is actually the hardest part to do. supposed to be a tight bait, no one to leak. There we go. Alright. And then this goes in there. Also, tight bit because you don't want it to leak. And so this, I then take and tuck up right there. All right. Now this shorter hose gets put right here, and there's an angle on one of them to make it easier to hook in. And then your pump comes with these accessories right here. And that gets, again, super tight fit. Shove it onto there. Cap right here, pull that out. Plugged in. There, tight. And there's 6 ports for the 3 buckets. And so you just repeat those steps for the other buckets. And you'll have a complete system.